In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add reviews on Wix. Whether you're running an online store, a personal blog, or a professional portfolio, adding customer reviews can make a huge difference in building trust and credibility with your audience. Reviews provide social proof, which is one of the most powerful tools for converting visitors into loyal customers. So in this step-by-step guide, I'll show you exactly how to add a testimonial section to your Wix website quickly and easily. Let's jump right in and get started. First things first, you'll need to open your Wix website editor. This is where all the magic happens. If you're managing multiple Wix sites, make sure you navigate to the editor for the specific site where you want to add those reviews. Once you're in, you'll see all the familiar tools and options on your dashboard. Next, take your attention to the left-hand side of the editor. There's a small plus icon. Click on that. This is your gateway to adding new elements to your site. From here, a drop-down menu will appear, showcasing a variety of options. What we're looking for is the strip option, so go ahead and select that. Strips are fantastic for structuring your website because they allow you to add full-width sections that can be customized in so many ways. Now, after selecting strip, hover your mouse over the section labeled Testimonials. Here, Wix provides several pre-designed templates specifically made for showcasing customer feedback. These templates are visually appealing and save you time, so you don't have to start building a testimonial section from scratch. Take a moment to browse through the options and choose a template that matches the overall look and feel of your website. Keep in mind that consistency in design is key. It helps your site feel professional and cohesive. Once you've selected the perfect template, click on it to add it to your page. You should now see the testimonial strip appear on your website. At this point, it's time to make it your own. Start by clicking on the text within the strip. This will open the text editor where you can input real customer reviews. If you don't have specific reviews yet, you can edit the placeholder text to match the tone and style of your website. For example, if your site has a casual vibe, feel free to use more conversational language. If it's more professional, stick to formal and polished wording. Now let's take it a step further and customize the visual elements. Click on the Change Image option within the testimonial strip. This allows you to swap out the default images with ones that better fit your brand. You could add photos of the actual reviewers, which adds a personal touch, or you can include branding elements like your company logo. High-quality images go a long way in making your testimonial section look authentic and engaging. So take the time to choose ones that enhance the overall presentation. And there you have it. By following these steps, you've successfully added a testimonial section to your Wix website. You've not only created a visually appealing space for customer feedback, but also provided your site visitors with the reassurance they need to trust your brand. Remember, you can always revisit this section in the future to make updates or add new reviews as your business grows. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.